Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, sliding rear window, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Come see the car for yourself.